Hi, in this video we are going to see the recruitment notification from the National Testing Agency, and it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are having the graduation, any graduation guys, okay, plus computer proficiency as well as the typing speed. And here the three different designations are mentioned in the recruitment notification by the National Testing Agency, and it is a permanent central government jobs guys, and you will get the pay scales also once selected. And here the salary is up to 1,51,100 rupees per month as per the mentioned in the notification. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these qualifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, a small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam. As you already know that on 10th August 2021, the National Testing Agency released the dates for the UGC NET December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merged cycle. So the dates are 6th October to 11th October 2021. Academy paid courses are there by keeping in mind the UGC NET December 2020 and the June 2021 cycles. So from August 18th onwards, the MCQ course on paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And from September 2nd onwards, the revision course for paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And the details regarding the links I kept in the description box of this video. To get the complete details I kept at the end of this video. Into the present content of the video. So it is the official website regarding the recruitment of National Testing Agency. And I will provide this website link also in the description box of this video. So it is High Court of Judicature at Allahabad. So in this one, here we got the recruitment notification regarding the three different designations: review officer, assistant review officer, and a computer assistant. The total number of vacancies also you may check down: 46, 350, and 15. And here the pay scales also as per the 7th CPC. So level 8, level 7, and level 4. And coming to the age limitations: 21 to 35, 21 to 35, and 18 to 35. And the minimum qualifications, graduation plus computer qualification is required. Okay. And the starting and ending date is 17th August to the 16th September 2021. Fine. And if you want to get the detailed recruitment notification regarding this one, regarding the review officer and assistant review officer, just click on this one and then you will be directed to this notification, guys. So here the total 71 pages are there. So out of the 71 pages, I will show you the main content, and the remaining content I will provide the link in the description box of this video. So from that one you can get, guys. So coming to the first one, important dates. The application starts from 17th August 2021 to 16th September 2021. Okay. Online registration and submission of application form complete in all respect for the post of review officer and the assistant review officer through the website link also provide here, recruitment.nta.ac.in, or else through the Allahabad High Court also. And the last date for successful transaction of application fee is 17th September 2021. And coming to the application fee, review officer 800 rupees and assistant officer also 800 rupees. SC ST of Uttar Pradesh 600 and 600. Fine. But if you belongs to SC ST of the other states, then you will be considered under the general category. Okay. And coming to the other activities, duration for correction in the particulars of an application form, the dates are given here mentioned, and the admit card as well as the provisional answer keys on the website and declaration of result. Okay, everything they will be announced later. And the mode of examination as a CBT, computer based test. Examination centers will be mentioned in the admit cards, and the relevant websites also mentioned here. So you have to go through those websites. And the candidates has to apply only through the online mode only. Okay, there is no offline modes here. And if you are applying for more than 2 positions, then you have to pay the double, okay, 2 times, okay, application fee. And that is mentioned here. And while if coming to the qualifications, for the review officer, 46 vacancies are there. So level 8, that is 47,600 to 1,51,100 as per the 7th CPC. Essential qualifications: bachelor's degree of a university established by law in India, or is the qualification recognized as equivalent thereto. That means bachelor's degree, and you must have the diploma or degree in the computer science from a recognized institution, and you must have the minimum typing speed of 25 words per minute in English typing on computer. Fine. And you may check down here any one of these things: diploma or degree, and O-level certificate, triple C certificate, okay, any one of these things. And while coming to the assistant review officer, total 350 vacancies are there, and it is a level 7 category, 44,900 to 1,42,400 rupees per month, and a bachelor's degree of a university, okay, and a diploma or degree certificate in computer science, O level and a triple C, minimum typing speed of the 25 words per minute in English typing on the computer. Fine. So these are the requirements, guys. And regarding the reservations that you may check down here. Fine. So percentage of reservation and the number of posts for review officer 46, and the number of assistant review officer is 350. Fine. So you please check down all the remaining details, and here what is the selection procedure, and each and everything is also given. As I already told, the age limitation in the starting of this one. Okay. So relaxation is also there. 5 years and the 3 years relaxation is also provided as per the Government of India rules. And the selection procedure is also mentioned, so you please check down, guys. I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So there is a separate selection procedure. Coming to the review officer, here part 1 and part 2, multiple choice questions and computer knowledge. Okay, so total 200 questions here, 50 questions here, 200 marks here, and the negative markings are not there. Okay, and the typing speed testing also will be there. And here also multiple choice questions and computer knowledge testing for assistant review officer. Okay, so all of these things you just check down. And coming to the detailed advertisement for computer assistant recruitment, so you just click on that one, and then you will be directed to the details. That means here, out of these 3, okay, so out of the 3 mentioned here, review officer, assistant review officer, and computer assistant, they give the separate advertisement for the computer assistant, so that we are going to see here. So under the computer assistant, total 15 vacancies are there, and it is a level 4. 25,500 to 81,100 rupees per month as per the 7th CPC. So here also the same qualifications mentioned: bachelor's degree of a university, diploma or degree, or else O level or triple C, and minimum typing speed of 25 words per minute in English typing on the computer. Fine. So these are the qualifications, and here the reservation percentages are also mentioned here, and you please check down all the remaining details. Okay, guys. And I will provide this website link in the description box of this video, so the candidates who are having these qualifications utilize this opportunity. Fine. Anyhow, these are the permanent central government vacancies, guys, so you use this opportunity, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of positions. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may listen. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profiling. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down.